Hey there, I'm Damian Milner, the IT Administrator here in Future Problem Solving. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in as a student and submit a community project into FPSOnline. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is come to FPSOnline.org. You can log in as a student either from the top or the bottom here or even in the middle. Alright, you want to make sure user type selected is student and then type in your credentials and log in. All right, so you might get a pop-up that pops up that has these three buttons: FPS Topics, My Team, or My Feedback. If it's your first time logging in, you can just click on FPS Topics. If it's not showing up for you and you land right on this page, perfectly fine. You're just going to locate the topic labeled Community Projects that you're assigned to. All right. After you click into that topic, you don't need to worry about the Go to Virtual booklet or the step testing down here, or I'm sorry, the step progress bar down here. You just want to come over here to the right where it says Upload Files, and you want to click this button here that says Upload. All right, you want to select CMPS. All right, and you can grab the top to bring it, or you can scroll down to see the fields. And what you see here is you see 4 fields to upload your files, 2 fields for the proposal in Word format, PDF format, 2 fields for your report in Word format and PDF format. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and upload this. Okay. Uploading each file. All right, and you see each file name showed up here. Then we're going to type in the project title here. Now the video link, this is going to be for your media presentation, and what we ask is that you upload your media presentation to YouTube as an unlisted video and then get that shareable link that you can then copy and paste in here. All right, I'm just adding in a placeholder link here, but this should be the shareable link from your unlisted YouTube video. All right, you're going to select your division. The summary field needs to be 100 words or less, so you can type in your summary. Okay, you can type in your coach name here. You can type in the coach email address. You want to select if it's team or individual. Okay, you want to select what type of project it is: single year, evolving, or multi-year. You want to say, has any part of this project been submitted to a future problem-solving competition in the past? You either want to select yes or no. And in the all participant names. Now, this field is for all of the students who worked on the project throughout the year, and we want their first and last names here. Separate each name with a comma. Please be aware that however you enter the names in here will be how they are used in print materials, awards, and so on. So you want to make sure that you get all the names typed in here properly, no typos, and everything looks good. Again, separate each name by a comma, and we want all students who worked on the project, all their names here. Okay. Last thing you're going to do is check the box that you're submitting this information, and it verifies that it is the original work of your students and it meets all eligibility requirements according to the current year posted information. All right. Once you scroll back up and just do a quick review and make sure everything's filled out and it's all good, you're going to click the submit button. Now, this might take a few minutes because there's a lot of data, so just click it one time and wait. You can see in the top browser here, the working wheel is working, and then now it's submitted that information. If you click it more than once, you could end up with duplicates of the files submitted where you'd have to go in and remove some of them. So just click it one time and then just hands off and wait for it to load. Okay, if there's any errors, it's going to give you an error message at the top. We got that everything was successfully uploaded, and now if you're all set, you can click submit for evaluation here on this green button here to let the admin know that you are done uploading your project and it can be evaluated. That's your last step. If you want to review the project before that last step, that's fine. You just go over here where you see these bubbles, these teal green bubbles, click on a bubble. That's going to bring up the cover sheet. You can scroll down and you can review that information. If you need to update something, you can update it here and click submit. If you need to download a file, you'll follow those same steps. You'll click on one of the bubbles of the file, and then right up here at the top, if you hover over the file name, it gives you a clickable link. Click it, and it'll download and you can open it. Depending on how your download settings are, it might automatically upload. It might go to your downloads like mine does. It might open in a window tab, something like that. So this is going to be where you download the file. Okay, you close the window here. And it depends on which file you want. If you wanted to view another file, click on it, brings up the same thing, links at the top. Works the same way for each one. Now, if you found that there was an issue with these files, you need to restart. You're going to click the red X here next to each one to clear them all out, and then restart it again. And then the very last step, you click Submit for Evaluation. All right, hope you found this video helpful. Stick around and watch some more videos on working in FPSOnline, and I hope you have a great and positive day. Take care.